I'm Shae Russell for mining.com.au, and joining me today is Hugh Pilgrim, the Executive Director for Zeus Resources. Hugh, it's great to have you on. How are you?
Great. Thanks for having me on, Shae.
Now, Zeus Resources isn't a name I've seen a lot of lately, and it looks like there's some great momentum happening for the company right now. But before we get to some of the good things that are happening, can you give me a little bit of background on where the company's at?
Yeah, Zeus Resources has gone through a little bit of a period of transition over the last 12 months. Recently, a new management team has come through, and we've changed our focus from lithium to antimony.
Now, speaking of antimony, an incredibly exciting metal that hasn't had a lot of airtime prior to the past 6 months, let's talk about this project, the Casablanca Antimony Project located in Morocco. You've recently completed some due diligence on this. Tell me, what do these numbers look like?
Yeah, they're really exciting. The Casablanca project is a 79 square kilometre project in just south of Casablanca, and it's 2.5 hours away from the airport, the international airport there. The results are rock chip samples that were undertaken on a due diligence trip. The grades are of bonanza grade, with the results coming in at over 40%. Our highest grade was 46, and a consistency of between 10 and 40%.
I wouldn't mind just getting some more information about this because let's be honest, a project in Morocco probably isn't everybody's first port of call.
Yeah. I mean, Morocco is not a known mining jurisdiction in here in Australia, but it's actually quite a well-developed mining country. 40% of all the world's phosphate comes from Morocco, and Morocco has a really great endowment of all types of minerals. Antimony has always been known to be existing in Morocco, and artisanal mining has occurred over the last 50 to 60 years. So we just took historical data and had a look around, and we've stumbled upon this project.
All right. So obviously, this is just the due diligence. So it's the early stages of looking at this project. As promising as it is, what else can investors look forward to hear from? What comes next?
Yeah, obviously, these are really exciting results. We're still continuing our due diligence. We expect to be finalising the transaction in the next month and then hitting the ground running with geophysics, and then hopefully identifying drill targets and then drilling and trying to prove up what would hopefully be a discovery.
I hope to hear more about this. Listen, thank you so much for being here today. It's been great talking with you, Hugh.
Thanks, Shay.